Hi everyone, I'm Raya. So as we approach the lunar eclipse, you may be noticing extremes in your thoughts and your emotions, from extreme highs to being in a place of love and joy, and then extreme low, place of fear and anxiety. So I'd like to offer 3 simple movement techniques that help to rebalance and reset those thoughts and emotions. The first is to connect into your body through stretching. And if you don't have time to do a full stretching routine or stretching class, then try this one. So find a comfortable seat, sitting tall, close your eyes, and then just slowly draw the right ear towards the right shoulder. Slowly draw a half neck circle, chin to chest, and left ear to left shoulder. Moving as fast as your awareness. Change direction. And notice, where do you feel a stretch? And how does that location of stretch change as you move? You may do full circles if that's available today for you. And then coming back to center. And just noticing if that's helped to recalibrate anything. The next tip is get inverted. So postures or positions with your body where your hips are higher than your heart. These can be more active, for example, the rollover in Pilates. So you come onto your back, and then draw that lower belly in and up. As you bring your knees in, reach your legs away, and then up and over, peeling down with control. If it's challenging for you to do this with your arms by your side, you can try holding on to something with your arms overhead. So if you slide your hands under a couch, or if you've got a heavier weight, you can hold on to that. And then same thing. So up and over, and slowly peel down with control. Just check in your jaw and your throat are relaxed. And if that's not available to have your legs straight, you can also play with just practicing lifting your hips and using a bit of momentum. The other things you can play with would be, more traditional yoga postures such as Sarvangasana, shoulder stand, or legs up the wall would be a little more restorative. And handstand, another fun example. But even things like bridges, lifting your hips up. So this is another example of the hips higher than the heart. And one of my all-time favorites, Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. So a great one to just take you in just 5 breaths. Noticing, where do you feel the stretch? Making little micro adjustments to get in touch with what your body feels like in this posture. So that's also an example of an inversion. And then there's the more restorative versions. I mentioned legs up the wall already. You can also try, in the middle of the room, using something like a block or a foam roller under your hips, and lift the legs up. Good. And from here, you might just close your eyes and relax. Or if there's, a little bit more energy, a little bit more thoughts going, just play with drawing circles with your feet. Maybe trying to write your name with your feet, or your favorite color today. So whatever's under your hips, just make sure that it's not on your low back. Okay, so it's on the sacrum, so the large triangle bone between the 2 hip bones. You can also have the block higher. So lots of examples of inversions that help to reset the nervous system and recalibrate. And then finally, my final little technique is taking a reset frequency breath. So wherever you are, finding a comfortable seat or maybe even standing or lying down, close your eyes and imagine that there's a star at the center of your torso. And as you inhale, notice that star getting brighter inside of you. As you exhale, the light of that star radiates out. Inhaling, the light gets brighter within. Exhale, it expands out, nourishing all of your billions of cells. And on the next inhale, pause at the top and feel the light charge getting brighter and stronger inside of you. Keep holding. When you can't hold any longer, exhale. And just let that charge continue to do its thing with the momentum you've built up for it. Again, cleansing, nourishing all your cells. Just take a moment to observe the effects. And open your eyes. And get back to whatever you were doing before. Hopefully feeling a little bit calmer, a little bit better sense of peace within and a bit more clarity. Have a great day. Thank you.